Speech is power. It has the ability to move mountains, to change minds, and to shape the course of history. From the grand stages of political arenas to the intimate settings of personal conversations, the spoken word holds a unique and transformative power. Speech is to persuade. It is the art of convincing others to see the world from your perspective, to understand your vision, and to join you on a journey of discovery and change. Whether you are addressing a boardroom of executives or a classroom of students, the ability to persuade is a crucial skill. To convert, to compel. These are the hallmarks of effective communication. When you speak with conviction and clarity, you have the power to convert skeptics into believers and compel your audience to take action. Your words can inspire movements, drive innovation, and create lasting impact. Ralph Waldo Emerson reminds us that words are powerful. Speech is power. Speech is to persuade, to convert, to compel. This timeless quote underscores the importance of mastering the art of communication. It is a reminder that our words have the potential to shape our reality and influence the world around us. A well-crafted presentation can inform, inspire, and even ignite change. It is not just about delivering information. It is about creating an experience that resonates with your audience. When you speak with passion and purpose, you can leave a lasting impression and drive meaningful change. This isn't just about slides. It's about connecting with your audience. It's about understanding their needs, their hopes, and their fears. It's about building a rapport and creating a sense of trust and connection. When you connect with your audience on a deeper level, your message becomes more impactful and memorable. It's about sharing your ideas in a way that resonates. It's about finding the right words, the right tone, and the right delivery to make your message stick. Whether you are presenting a groundbreaking idea or sharing a personal story, the way you communicate can make all the difference. This guide will equip you with the tools to become a master presenter. Let's begin. Together we will explore the techniques and strategies that will help you harness the power of the spoken word and become a more effective and impactful communicator. Let's embark on this journey to unlock your full potential as a speaker. Before diving into slides and fonts, take time to plan. Define your objective. What do you want your audience to take away? Consider your audience. What are their interests and expectations? Once you understand your audience, craft your key messages. Keep them concise and memorable. Think of them as the headlines of your presentation. This planning stage is crucial for a successful presentation. Now, let's bring your ideas to life. This is where the magic happens. You've brainstormed, you've planned, and now it's time to assemble all the pieces together. Think of this as crafting a masterpiece, where every element plays a crucial role in conveying your message effectively. Select content that supports your key message. Every image, every piece of text, and every visual should serve a purpose. It's not just about filling space, it's about enhancing the story you want to tell. Be selective and intentional with your choices. Less is more. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too much information. When you overload your slides with text, you risk losing your audience's attention. Instead, aim for clarity and simplicity. Highlight the key points and let your visuals do the talking. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-crafted slides that make a strong impact than a multitude of slides that dilute your message. Prioritize the main ideas and ensure they stand out. Structure your content like a story. A clear beginning, middle, and end will keep your audience engaged. Start with an introduction that sets the stage. Build up with the main content, and conclude with a strong closing that reinforces your message. Use visuals to complement your message, not overpower it. Visuals should enhance understanding and retention, not distract from the core message. Choose images, charts, and graphics that are relevant and add value to your presentation. Simple slides with powerful images or key phrases are more effective than text-heavy slides. Remember, your slides are there to support you, not replace you. Keep them clean, concise, and impactful to leave a lasting impression on your audience. Delivery is key. Practice your presentation until it feels natural. Speak clearly and confidently, making eye contact with your audience. Remember to breathe and pace yourself. Manage your time effectively, ensuring you cover all key points. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your delivery. Passion is contagious. Nervousness is normal. Even seasoned speakers feel it. The key is to manage it. Practice helps build confidence. Know your material inside and out. Visualize yourself delivering a successful presentation. Take deep breaths to calm your nerves. Remember, your audience wants you to succeed. They are on your side. Channel your nervous energy into enthusiasm. A presentation shouldn't be a one-way street. Encourage interaction. Ask questions to keep your audience engaged. Use humor and storytelling to make your presentation memorable. Be mindful of your body language. An open posture and genuine smile can make all the difference. Your passion for the topic will shine through and captivate your audience. Conclude your presentation with a clear summary of your key message. This is your opportunity to reinforce the main points you've discussed and ensure that your audience walks away with a clear understanding of your core message. Summarizing effectively can help solidify the information in their minds, making it more likely that they will remember and act upon it. This reinforces your message and ensures it stays with your audience. When your audience sees the key points reiterated, it helps to cement the information. This is particularly important in a business setting where clarity and retention of information can lead to better decision-making and outcomes. End on a high note, leaving them with something to remember. Your closing remarks should be delivered with enthusiasm and confidence. This not only leaves a positive impression but also energizes your audience, making them more likely to remember your presentation and take action based on your recommendations. A strong call to action or a thought-provoking question can leave a lasting impression. By engaging your audience with a question or a call to action, you encourage them to think more deeply about the topic and how it applies to their own lives or work. This interaction can make your presentation more memorable and impactful. Delivering a powerful presentation is a skill that anyone can master with practice and the right approach. Preparation is key. Practicing in front of a mirror or with a trusted colleague can help you refine your delivery and build confidence. The more you practice, the more natural and effective your presentation will become. Now go out there and share your ideas with the world. Remember, every presentation is an opportunity to make a difference. Whether you're speaking to a small group or a large audience, your ideas have the power to inspire and influence. So take the stage with confidence, knowing that you have the tools and skills to leave a lasting impression. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow for more content. Your support helps us bring you more valuable tips and insights. Thank you for watching.